Have you ever wondered how a simple mixture of flour, sugar and butter morphs into a delicious cake or a crusty loaf of bread? The answer lies in the art of baking, a culinary practice that has transformed over centuries from the rudimentary bread of ancient times to the indulgent pastries we relish today. Our journey begins thousands of years ago, around 8000 BC, with the first bakers of ancient Egypt. The Egyptians made bread by mixing flour and water, then allowing the dough to rise in the warm Egyptian sun. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, and we find the introduction of guilds or professional associations for bakers in Europe. This period also saw the rise of different types of bread, from the common rye bread to the luxurious wheat bread reserved for the upper classes. As we move into the Renaissance, baking took a sweet turn. Sugar, once a luxury, became more accessible, leading to the creation of pastries, pies, and cakes. The art of baking was then further refined during the Victorian era, where the invention of baking powder gave rise to an array of light, fluffy cakes and pastries. The 20th century brought about a revolution in home baking, with the advent of pre-packaged cake mixes and the widespread availability of electric or gas ovens. These conveniences allowed the everyday home cook to create delicious baked goods with ease and precision. Today, baking is more varied and creative than ever. From the simple joy of a homemade chocolate chip cookie to the intricate artistry of a French croissant, the world of baking is a testament to human creativity and our love for good food. It's a practice that calls for both science and artistry, requiring a precise balance of ingredients, heat and time to create a delectable treat. So how does a humble mix of flour, sugar and eggs transform into a cake? It's all about the heat. When you place your batter into a hot oven, the heat causes the water in the batter to evaporate, creating steam. This steam, along with the carbon dioxide produced by the baking powder or yeast, causes the cake to rise. Meanwhile, the sugar and proteins undergo a series of complex reactions, giving your cake its golden brown color and irresistible flavor. In conclusion, baking is a journey through time, a testament to human ingenuity, and a celebration of our love for food. It's a magical process that turns simple ingredients into something far greater, a testament to the versatility and creativity of cooking. So the next time you bite into a piece of cake or a slice of bread, remember the centuries of innovation and tradition that have made that delightful moment possible.